Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. This is the very urgent update about SafeMoon because the SafeMoon price is very badly jumps in the market. A big crash occurred in the SafeMoon, so be alert and be safe from loss. Keep watching this video complete for more details about SafeMoon. And before starting this video, I request everybody to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the SafeMoon price in the market as 0.00003 USD dollar is the latest price of the SafeMoon. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes in the SafeMoon, so negative 2.01% the price jumps completely. SafeMoon is now in the lows. You know what, and nowadays a lot of cryptocurrencies prices in the pumping mood, but only some coin which is in a negative mood, which is jumps. But SafeMoon is completely jumps in the market, my friends. So now I not recommend for everybody to sell. No, my friends, never decide to sell. SafeMoon is a low price cryptocurrencies, and the low price coin is a long term project, my friends. If you want to hold low price coins, so you have to hold for a long term. For long term, that's how you can make a huge amount of profit with a SafeMoon, my friends. So invest now more and more in a SafeMoon for long term. I hope that they will give you a huge amount of profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction update about SafeMoon? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching.